Okay, good afternoon, class. So, in the morning, I was not able to take your class, so I rescheduled it in the afternoon. Many among you have joined the class, but this video is for them those who are not able to join the class in the afternoon. So, today I have discussed one of the writing sections. I have discussed about the letters that are of two type, that is formal and informal letter. Now, the thing is that many among you will thought that what are formal letters. Now, formal letters, what are formal letters? A formal letter, now you can see in this slide, a formal letter is a letter written in a formal or a sensible language for official purpose, that may be an application to the principal. So the next one is informal letter. Now, we what is that? We write informal letters to our friends, family and relatives. So basically there are two types of letters: formal letters, in which our language must be very sensible and official, and we can't talk to a principal like, how are you, sir, are you fine, I'm very happy. You can't talk to a principal or write a letter to a principal in this language. So the language must be very much official, restricted, related to the content, relating to the subject. Now it's necessary. Now, if I should talk about informal letters, these are the letters which are written to our friend, family, relatives, where we can be more casual, and we can talk to them about their personal feelings and emotions. We can share our feelings as well as the informations also. So now, in this video and in my online class, I have discussed about the applications format. So students, when we used to write a application, then we used to follow a proper format. Now, what is that format? The everyone among you have to know that application is always addressed to the head of the institution, and if you are writing an application for a school, the head of the school, then we must address the application to the principal. Now, what next? Next, after writing the principal, we have to write the name and address of the institution. That means here we have to write the name of our school and its address. Suppose if I am writing this application for the principal of DAV public school, then name of the school will be DAV public school, Kant Road, Khagol. Now, Kant Road, Khagol is the address of that institution. Now, date. After addressing the principal, we should write the date in a proper format. That means, first we should write the month name, after that the day, month, day, and then year. Then after this we will write the subject. Suppose if I am writing the application for my sick leave, then I will write here application for sick leave. If I am taking leave, I am writing this application for leave for 1 week, then I will write here for a leave for 1 week. Anything, the purpose of writing will be considered as the subject of the application. Now, about the salutation. Salutation will be here at this place, that is respected ma'am or sir. Now, just look at carefully. This is your respected ma'am or sir. And after that, here is body or the content. Body or the content. Here you can see. Now, students, you have to be very careful that all the things will be just next to the margin line. Now, at last, when we are concluding the application, we have to write yours sincerely. And as a student, we should prefer writing obediently. And yours sincerely, if I am writing to the principal, I will prefer obediently. But you could write sincerely also, and your name. Or if you if you don't want to write your name, then you can write here XYZ. Anna, if you're not comfortable in writing your name, you can write like this also. Now, today we have to write an application that is, one second, sorry. Write an application to your principal for sick leave. Now, here is an application. This application is mentioned in your syllabus also. So, we have to do it in our English copy also. Format will be the same which I have earlier taught you in this video. That is, here you can say I have taken it in example from the Google site. This is a same thing you could write, or you could add something else, and definitely you should do in your English fair copy. So see, in this for example, at the above of this application, principal is written, DAV Public School. See, I'm just pointing with a dot, because if I'm making circle, it becomes very dirty. So here the principal, DAV Public School. Now here it is written Thermal Colony, and what we will do here, we will write here DAV Public School, Kant Road, Khagol. Now you can write here Kant Road. This is not very much visible, so write here, what is this? So you could write here at Thermal Colony place, you could write here Kant Road. No, Kant Road, Kant Road. And at place of Panipat, you should write KHAGAUL, Khagol. Now, at the place of date, you could write here July, because today is July, and after that July 9th I am writing this video, I am doing this video, so July 9, 2020. Now the subject for one day leave. Now, respected ma'am or sir, respected ma'am or sir, I wish to say that I am suffering from fever since last night, so I cannot attend the school. Kindly grant me leave for one day. I shall be very thankful to you. Yours obediently. Student, this is an example. And if you want to write it same, you can write in the fair copy also. And if you know and you think you are supposed to, if you are able to write your language, you should do that. This is a language section, and especially the writing sections, the necessary thing is that you should follow the format. The language should be always same, doesn't matter, it's not matter. And so if you want to write your own application, you could write. So now this is the thing for the video.